Okay, say what you were saying.
2 notches in the bottom of this, 2 little tabs in the bottom of that. Line them up. Put this back in here. Tight.
Okay.
Loosen this screw.
What are you loosening on? Which part?
Motor head. Slip it on there, tighten it back up. Alright, remove 2 knobs. Pegs. Fit right in nice. 2 there, the bottom one. Put this one back on. Nice and snug. Fan blade. There's a little thing in there and a slot in the back of it. Shuts on the slot. Put this knob back on. Now it's left-handed thread. Snug. Front cover has the water lines in it, and they are zip tied together, so I have to remove the zip ties.
Without puncturing the line.
Without cutting the line.
Should probably use scissors.
Which I did not have. This just has little things that are going to snap onto the back pan.
Alright. And if you have the water valve off, you can use it as a regular fan. You do not have to use the misting. And it is height adjustable here. If you wanted it like closer to where the bodies will be.
Alright, time to test her out. I went and turned my water hose on, and the on-off nozzle seems to be working. There's no water anywhere. I'm going to turn on the fan. There is a little safety feature on here for the water line. I just snapped it in it. Now it's time to turn it on and give her a try. Fans on high. Gonna turn the water on. Misting. Nice. Whoa.
It does recommend at least 6 feet back to not feel.
4 feet is nice.
If you don't want to get wet, you have to sit back further. Are you getting wet or just
Yeah, I'm
slightly?
getting pretty wet.
Your shirt doesn't look it though.
Like, yeah. 4 foot's a little close, I think.
How far back before you actually don't?
We'll move
Aside
back
from
about
falling in the garden pond.
3 foot.
You're about 6 foot now away.
I'm probably 8 foot away from it now. And I can still feel the water. Not as bad.
Now it
This
feels
is
like
probably-
a mist.
If it was a nice hot day, this would be a perfect distance. Maybe a little bit further back.
Definitely not for in-home use.
Yeah. Well, unless you want to watch your walls.